People ask me all the time, is the Bitcoin pullback over? In this video, I'm going to be explaining where I see Bitcoin headed and what I'm doing with my BTC and overall cryptocurrency investments. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jackson Summers, and if you're interested in seeing where Bitcoin's headed next and you're not too sure what to do with your own BTC or cryptocurrency investments, please keep watching as I'm going to show you how I feel about the current market and what I'm doing to plan out my investments for the future. All right, so let's get right into this. If we were dealing with the stock market, I could definitely qualify this as a market crash. However, with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, it's a bit different. Currently, BTC is down over 47% from its all-time high of about $63,000 per coin, reached on April 13th of 2021. Currently, BTC is trading at about $34,000 to $36,000 per coin. If we look back at Bitcoin's past market crashes, we can see the coin dropped anywhere from 50 to 90%. So right now, we're currently sitting a bit below a regular market crash with Bitcoin. So we could definitely classify this as a pullback, especially if it continues to trade around the $35,000 level. Also, you have to remember this isn't the past, right? And the environment for crypto has completely changed. Overall, the space has evolved massively with big banks, hedge funds, and governments treating cryptocurrency as a real asset and not some speculative, unregulated investment. Another thing to note is that the 2020 Bitcoin bull run was not due to retail investors like me and you, like we have seen in the past with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This time it was what we like to call smart money or institutional investors. More and more countries and Fortune 500 companies have taken Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general much more seriously. We can see this through how huge corporations like PayPal, Square, and Tesla began holding Bitcoin on their balance sheets. The country of Venezuela has actually adopted Bitcoin as their national currency. Now, I'm not saying that has a huge impact on BTC's price, but it does show how far cryptocurrency has come. Also, if this turns out to be a smart decision for them, which I think it will, we could see more and more countries with larger and more influential economies start adopting and recognizing Bitcoin. Even the Fed is taking steps this summer to create their very own digital currency, which honestly is kind of strange and I'm not too sure how to feel about it, but either way, I think it will bring more attention to Bitcoin, which will help increase its value. So to call this a normal pullback, correction, or crash is definitely not right. Therefore, we should treat this like a regular asset and not some coin that drops 80 to 90% every 3 to 4 years. So with that in mind, when we see Bitcoin has already fallen by 47%, which is more significant than the Dow Jones crash of about 38% back in March of 2020. So when you look at it in that way, I think this could definitely be the end of the pullback or crash, whatever you want to call it. However, I do not think this would be the case if we were in the earlier years of Bitcoin. Now, mind you, a further crash to maybe $25,000 or $30,000 is definitely possible and is not out of the picture, but I really don't think we will see Bitcoin under $20,000 per coin ever again. Now, I know that's a big statement to make. However, it is my opinion and the opinion of many other investors and analysts out there. Some could argue if we do drop 80 to 90%, we could see Bitcoin under $10,000 per coin, which I guess if you're looking at the math is possible.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
However, when we actually look at the current environment, I don't think that's probable unless something huge happens that's really bad for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general. But the truth is nobody knows, right? Not the big banks, not Elon Musk, or even Michael Burry himself. So honestly, my advice to you is that if you believe in Bitcoin or any investment for that matter, you should definitely be buying as much as you can when those assets go on sale, as it gives you a better chance of making money in the long run. I'm not trying to say that I'm some professional investor or trader. I'm just some kid that loves Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, stocks, and anything pretty much that's to do with finance. And that's why I make videos on these topics, guys. It's not to educate you because really you might know more than me, right? So let's just learn off of each other. You want to remember that timing the market is one of the riskiest things you can do when investing because 9 out of 10 times you will get absolutely wrecked. The reason for that is because when we try to time the markets, it brings a lot of emotion into play, which is really not good for investing or trading. You want emotion to be set aside and you only want to focus on the facts. Your emotions will lead you to making irrational decisions, which in most cases will make you lose money. A strategy that has worked for me is dollar cost averaging. This is a method where essentially you are buying in specific increments and times over a certain period. For example, instead of buying $1,000 worth of Bitcoin at the $30,000 level, you could buy in increments of $100 or $200 per week. That way your position is averaged out and it eliminates any unnecessary emotions, which gives you a better chance of success in investing and trading. Let me know in the comments your strategy for buying Bitcoin, as I'm really interested in seeing everyone's different takes on how they invest and how they trade, because I'm sure I can learn a lot from you guys, so I would really appreciate that. Also, if you have seen my past videos, you know that I used to focus a lot more on technicals and price action. That's because I believe that trading was better for me. However, lately I have found much more success in not trying to time the markets when buying cryptos, stocks, or any other assets that I truly believe in for the future. Also, if you want to earn up to 10% interest per year on your cryptocurrency, there's a link below to BlockFi, and if you sign up using that welcome offer, you can actually receive up to $250 in free Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency that you deposit with, which is honestly pretty awesome, and I don't know how long the promotion will last, so take advantage of it before it's too late. Also, if you are looking to buy some stocks, there's a link below to Wealthsimple, and if you sign up using that link, you'll get up to $4,500 in free stocks, which is absolutely amazing. And it's a really easy to use and commission-free app that's available for Canadians, so I would highly recommend it. If you enjoyed my video and actually gained some value from it, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and peace.